Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to sell your memberships through RangePro. Pretty cool feature. It's actually pretty easy to set up. To get started, just go to admin.range-pro.com. This is your admin account and ensure that you have signed up for Stripe. Now, I'm using a test account, so there's nothing real happening here. There's no real money, as you see, they're test keys. In my Stripe account, you'll notice here if I go to view test data, it says activate your account. So please ensure that your account is activated with Stripe. To do so, they're going to ask you certain information about your business, your EIN. Once you submit this form, your account will be activated, and you can take the keys that we need from the not the test data but live data here over on the left hand side, similar to the video that you received when you signed up for RangePro, and it leads you through how to do that. Now, to get started with actually creating a membership, I've got two memberships already here, but I've disabled them for now, which means they won't be visible to members and they won't be visible to your employees in the store. So let's go ahead and add another one. And we're going to call this a two-person membership. And this will be two people will be authorized to be members on this subscription when a customer subscribes. This could be a family membership, it could be a four-person membership, it could be a single-person membership. By default, it's a single-person membership, so only one person is allowed per subscription. And we're going to set this to, I don't know, $50. And the billing cycle is going to be every month, right? And then frequency is the number of months before they're charged again. And you'll see here at the text at the bottom here, it says your customers will be billed every 1 month. If I change this to 4, a customer would be billed every 4 months. So let's leave it at 1. And this is a two-person membership, so I'm going to authorize 2 people per subscription. Let's go ahead and add the membership plan. You see it's been successful here. Membership is available. And there are no active members here on the bottom. So let's go into our store account and go to our memberships. You see I have no active members here. There's actually 3 tabs up top. There's active, unpaid, and all registered users. So all registered users are everyone who has created a member account, but doesn't have an active subscription with you or an active membership with you. The active members obviously are paid members. They are paying their membership dues. And unpaid members are members who have failed to pay their invoice. And we'll get into invoices here in a second. But first, let's go to all registered users. Let's go to my name here. And what you'll see here up at the top is my basic information. Customer subscriptions, I don't have any. The customer does have a payment method on file here, and there are some previous invoices from subscriptions that I've added and removed in the past. Let's go ahead and add a subscription. So we're going to do that two-person membership. Now, there are 2 options here. I could either send the invoice to the customer manually every period, every cycle. So, this is every month that the customer will receive an invoice, and they'll receive the invoice through their email, and they can pay by credit card, they can pay by ACH transfer. It's actually whatever you set up in your Stripe account, they're able to pay by. Or if they have a payment on file, they can go ahead and automatically bill to that payment method on file. You can add it, or they can add it in their member account. And then if you want to give them a discount from the start of the membership, you can do that here. You can do a fixed amount or percentage, and then you can give the duration. It could be one time or repeating, and the number of months it would repeat. Say they purchased a weapon from you or a bow from you, and you want to give them a 3-month discount. Since this is a monthly membership, I can give them a monthly discount, 100% free, and then they'll be charged thereafter for the remaining amount. So you can give discounts. We're going to expand on this a little bit more so you can apply discounts to current memberships. But right now, it's when you initially sign up. So we're not going to give them a discount just now. We're just going to sign them up. And the 2 people that are going to be authorized on this account are... I don't know, I'm making up names, Sven Marks and me. So let's go ahead and subscribe. Now, keep in mind, authorized members, you do need to put the first and last names and add them to the list based on who is allowed to be an authorized member under this subscription. Let's go ahead and click subscribe. And what you'll notice here is in the subscription, it'll be two-person, $50 every 1 month. The status is active, the payment is auto, and the next billing cycle will be 30 days from now, which is October 13th. It's currently September 13th right now. Authorized members, if you expand, you can see that Sven Marks and my name are authorized members under this subscription. I can cancel this subscription, or I can convert it from automatic to manual pay, which is we'll send an invoice to them every 30 days and they can pay via their email, right? So let's go ahead and cancel this real quick because I want to show you something. So we'll go ahead and add that subscription again. And we're going to have it send invoice to customer, no discount, same name again. And we'll go ahead and subscribe. So what you'll see at the very bottom, so you see the same membership information, but at the very bottom, you'll see the invoice has been due. Now, the customer will receive the invoice in their email up to 12 hours from when you do this. The invoices are sent periodically throughout the day. When they receive it, they can pay it. Or if, for instance, they're in the store and they want to pay you through your point of sale system, you can mark the invoice as paid. So if you take payment not through RangePro, but through your point of sale, you can mark this as paid. And let's go ahead and mark it as paid. And you notice here it says, please confirm you would like to mark this invoice as paid. Doing so means you've taken payment already. Let's go ahead and take the payment, and you'll see that the invoice has been paid. So the next invoice on the October 13th, they'll receive in their email, and they can pay via their email. So now that we have an active member, what does this actually look like in RangePro? Well, if you go into your Range and you go into your dashboard, you'll see that when you add someone to the Range, you can search by the active member. And you'll see that I have one active member, which is my name, and it says that there are two authorized members here, Sven Marks and my name. Tells the plan that they're subscribed to, their contact info, and the email that they use to subscribe to the membership. So let's go ahead and select Sven Marks, and what will happen here is that the name is selected into the customer box, and it marks it as a member when you add them to the lanes. So for your charts and history, it'll actually keep track of the fact that this is a member and they've used time on your Range. Same thing applies to the waiting list. I can go ahead and add a member to the waiting list. If you see I have one member here, I'm going to add my name to the waiting list and click Add Customer. And you'll get an icon here at the bottom that says, the blue icon basically indicates that they are an active paid member. If I click on the name, you'll see the expansion of the phone number, and the type is walk-in, right? So really you're looking for that blue badge that tells you that they're a member. In addition, the customer can now manage their subscription through an account. So if I go into the account and refresh it, you'll see that they have an active membership, two-person membership. Next billing cycle is October 13th. It's active. They can cancel it. It tells them how often they're going to be charged and the authorized users on this membership. They can also go into the membership area. They can sign up for more memberships, which are not available right now because I've disabled the other ones. They can cancel this. They can resubscribe to something else, whatever they decide to do to manage their membership. Let's go ahead and remove these from lanes 1 and 2. And remove from the waiting list. Now, if we go back into memberships, we can also create an account for our customers. If we add them here, first name, last name, phone number, an email address they would like to use when signing into their member account, this will send an email to them saying, hey, your local store has created a membership account for you, and it'll give them their username, which is their email address, and it'll send them a temporary password that they can log in with and change their password, finish the registration, and then manage their membership from there on out. The only other thing I wanted to show you with the active member detail page is that you can convert a membership to auto pay. So if they decide to attach a payment method to this account, and it's currently at send invoice every payment period, you can convert it to auto pay. Since they have a payment method here, let's go ahead and click auto pay. It'll convert that account to auto pay, and it'll automatically be charged to that account. That's a quick overview of our memberships, and I'll go ahead and post some more information in detail if need be, but thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.